Assalamualaikum. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you today? I will share about vocabulary enjoy. I'm Siti Risalah Ramadhani. 1. The lesson frameworks. This section explains that the human's brain has a specific way of processing, storing, and organizing new vocabulary by understanding how it works, learning English becomes more effective and communication skills and improve. Key point: vocabulary is not enough if we only memorize it. It must be understood and used regularly so it is stored in long-term memory. 2. Passive vocabulary. Active vocabulary that we can religiously pronounce correctly and use when speaking and writing. Example: words like books, school, teacher, and friend that we often use in daily conversation. Specific vocabulary that we recognize when reading or listening, but we can't use it spontaneously yet. Example: we know the meaning of festive when reading would be good, but we still find it difficult to use it in a sentence. Conclusion: the goal of learning vocabulary is to change passive vocabulary into active vocabulary. 3. Pillars of learning. 1. Acquisition, the stage of getting to know and learning vocabulary through 1. Reading, watching educational videos, listening, and simple research. 2. Retention, the stage of keeping vocabulary in our memory by spaced revision using mnemonic techniques. Making vocabulary maps. Through production, the stage of using the learning vocabulary, dialogue, making sentences, speaking, discussing, writing. Conclusion: learning vocabulary must go through the stage: recognizing, remembering, and using. High frequency for vocabulary. This material explains that about of the most explains that about 3,000 of the most frequently used English words can help someone understand around 90-95% of general reading such as novels, news, business publication. Conclusion: focusing on learning the 3,000 core words first will speed up our ability to understand English. Linguistic root the etymology. This section explains the importance of understanding the origin of words. Key points. 1. Around 60% of modern English vocabulary comes from Greek and Latin. 2. Understanding root words helps you guess the meaning of next word. 3. Understanding prefixes and suffixes makes learning vocabulary easier. Examples: fish, to see, impress, frostface, sophistator. The prefix means not the suffix tildes now and now form. Conclusion: knowing root word makes it easier for you to understand many words with always opening a dictionary. General conclusion: based on this material, the effective way to master English vocabulary is: 1. You understand how the brain stores vocabulary. 2. Change passive vocabulary into active vocabulary. 3. Learn vocabulary through three stages: regurgitation, retention, and prediction. The 3,000 most frequently used core words. You understand root words, prefixes, and suffixes to expand vocabulary. In my opinion, this material teaches that success in mastering English does not depend on memorizing as many words as possible, but on the regular learning strategy and consistent use of vocabulary in daily life. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.